Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a very special pudding. Why it's so special? Because it's a vegan tofu pudding. Yes, you heard it right, we made this pudding with tofu. So let's see how to make this no cooking, super easy and delicious dessert. Into a blender, add in 200 grams of tofu. If you are getting the silken tofu, it will add more smooth texture to this pudding. Now add in some melted dark chocolate, some chopped strawberries, an instant coffee powder, some almond milk. If you are not vegan, you can use the regular milk as well. Now here I am using some raw sugar, but you can use honey if you like. Now blend it really well. Now I like to serve this pudding in a jar like this. So pour the entire pudding into a jar, close the lid. Now chill this pudding for 1 to 2 hours until it is set. You can garnish this pudding with some chocolate curls, some slice of strawberries, or any type of cherries or fruits, and some chopped nuts. Our delicious, no cooking, super easy to make vegan pudding is ready. Nobody will be able to find out that this pudding is made with tofu. It is so creamy, rich and yummy. A perfect recipe to make during any festivals or parties. I just love to read your valuable comments and suggestions, so don't forget to post that in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more unique recipes from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.